Hi everybody, welcome back to Minion's Model Car Workshop. I'm Steve, and this is a video of the replica build of my brother's first car. His first car was a 1935 Ford Coupe. It looked something like this. I was able to find a 1936 Ford Coupe model kit at a show, and with the help of Rick Zink, who provided some wire wheels, I was able to do a reasonable facsimile of the original car, although the grille and a few other things may not be exactly the same. The kit includes extra parts, so you can build it as a convertible or as a race car, and comes with parts for an engine for a Pontiac 389. If you look at my April update, you'll see the engine build that I did.
Here's a comfortable back seat, and the front seats are 4 to 5 1/2 inches wider. Every modern convenience is provided for the driver, and in summer you will be glad the windshield's open. All of the new Ford V8 cars for 1935 have all steel bodies. You'll like the new easy gear shift too. These cars are equipped with safety glass throughout at no extra cost. The body lines are distinctly new and modern without being extreme. There is a choice of rich body colors, including a striking new gunmetal finish on deluxe cars. The upholstery and appointments reflect a new standard of luxury in a low-price car. A wide range of choice is offered in the 12 body types, and prices are surprisingly low. No car costs so little to own and run as the Ford V8. New modern cars for the new year, symbols of progress, leaders in value, pace setters on every road, on every hill, and at every traffic light. The new Ford V8 for 1935.
This kit had some issues. There was a lot of flash and seam lines, and I spent the first 3 days just cleaning those up before I started the build. Being a coupe, I had to glue the roof onto the body and then attach the body to the interior tub and then attach that to the fenders and then attach that to the chassis. That was a bit of a challenge to get all those in place and get the glue in. It almost became a glue bomb at one point, but eventually it all ended up not too bad.